anytime a nigga get some money or nigga get some money, y'all always say either a nigga scamming or a nigga selling illegal stuff. Bro, stop that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta understand that black people history, we invented most of this shit. We invented most of this shit. We been entrepreneurs back in the day. They just want to tell y'all that, oh, black folks who started off as slavery. No, we didn't start off as slaves, bro. That's where American history started off at. That's where the school bullshit started off at. You know what I'm saying? Even when I was in college, they still trying to teach me about slavery. Like, what the fuck is we talking about slavery for? What's going on with y'all YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, y'all know I always record my gym sessions, but today I had to put it on YouTube. Y'all know I always record it for Instagram, TikTok, and so forth, right? But I had to put it on YouTube today specifically, this video specifically, just so you know when later on when I'm talking to you that I'm not just talking, that I'm actually working out in the gym. I'm actually in the gym. If you follow my Instagram at upnextmalyt, you're going to see like I'm in the gym like 2 times a day. You feel me? And I'm only in the gym for like 30 minutes, like 30 minutes to like 45 minutes. Just because of the simple, I might go outside, jump rope for, you know what I'm saying, 5 minutes or whatnot, but you'll never catch me in the gym like over an hour. You know what I'm saying? It's no point. And right here, I'm not naked, bro. I got my shorts sagging a little bit, but I'm not naked. YouTube, don't demonetize me. But, you know what I'm saying? We hop in the shower, you feel me? After the gym workout, you get what I'm saying? You know, you wash up, stand up showers are the best. No cap. I had, when I was growing up, I think my granny had a stand-up shower, and that was about it. That's the only time I really took a shower. Like, other than that, I used to take baths, you feel me? So, like, really having a stand-up shower, like, I love this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love it so much, I'm about to write y'all a smiley face. Smile, nigga. While you watching this video, smile. Shit, laugh a little bit, goddamn. But yeah, man, the good thing is, let me tell y'all something good about today, man. If you don't like the position that you in right now, that you watching this video, that you in, you don't like the position, guess what? You still living, you still got time to change it. You still got breath in your body to change it. You still got breath in your body to change your positioning, to change your life. You get what I'm saying? So that's the wonderful thing about life that you should not take for granted, because if you take that one aspect for granted, then somebody else will be controlling your life. If you don't take advantage of you controlling your own life, somebody else is going to come in your life and take control for you. You know what I'm saying? Whether it be a job, whether it be a 9-to-5, whether it be school, whether it be you get in enormous amount of trouble. You get what I'm saying? If you feel what I'm saying. And yeah, man, I just believe as men, you know what I'm saying, we the master of our own fate. And you can control your destiny by your habits and your thought process. You get what I'm saying? That's why I'm coming out with so many videos for y'all now. You get what I'm saying? Because I actually believe in myself. It's been times where I doubted myself. It's been times where I've allowed other people's voices to get into my head, but you gotta snap out of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta snap out of it, man. I've been getting doubted ever since I was younger, so it's nothing really new. You get what I'm saying? You know how you tell your people, you know how you tell your family, oh, how you want to do this, how you want to do that. Listen, bro, don't tell nobody nothing. Don't tell nobody nothing. You get what I'm saying? Because what's gonna happen is they're gonna put their fears off on you, and depending on who is it, it can deter you from doing your actual dreams, your actual goals. You get what I'm saying? So I hate to say don't tell nobody nothing, but that's just how it is. You get what I'm saying? Don't tell nobody your plans. Like, just go for it. You feel me? Believe in yourself and go for it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to talk to y'all on camera. I'm about to hop out this shower, and we about to get straight into this video, man. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Hey, this is a very serious video, man. This ain't no apartment tour. This ain't none of that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have to wait on that, alright? Because right now, my shit kind of like everywhere. You feel me? Like I got content section over there with the kitchen, cause y'all know I'll be doing the TikToks by the kitchen. I got my lighting set up over there. Shit, I got books and shit over there. I got inventory and shit right here. It's like I'm not in a position right now to like show y'all, okay, I want y'all to do an apartment tour. And I honest to God, I think that's kind of weird. I watched the Black Panther movie, and when they shot up Fred's house, they knew exactly where he laid his head and stuff like that. And yeah, it's gonna take me some time, alright? So y'all gonna get that. Just be patient with me. Alright, y'all gonna get the apartment tour. My apartment is not empty. My apartment is far from empty. I think that's like 75 or 85 inch. I don't know, I forgot. But my apartment is far from empty, okay? So it's not that, okay? So but on a more serious note, I'm really here to uplift men, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course, I don't know if females got people to, I mean, females always gonna have support. You know what I'm saying? Females always gonna have a roster of niggas waiting on them, and they gonna have their brothers, sisters, uncles, dad, father, whatever support. You get what I'm saying? They gonna have everybody behind them, but who really give a fuck about the males? Who really give a fuck about the men? You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm coming into play right now. Damn, when the air gonna cut on? Man, I just got from the gym and from the shower. The air gotta come on. Like, hey, I'm like, hey, let's go cut this air on, boy. What's going on? What's really going on, dude? Like, what's really going on? Hold on, man. Got down 85 degrees in this motherfucker, man. God damn, man. That's tough. Damn, that's hot as hell in this bitch. But yeah, like I was saying, like I was trying to tell y'all, though, you feel me? I just I wanna be here for the men, you know what I'm saying? I wanna be here for the males, the boys that's transitioning into that manhood, you know what I'm saying? I know how hard it is, you know what I'm saying? I know all the difficulties, I know what the fuck y'all going through, you feel me? And I just I wanna bring hope to the niggas, you know what I'm saying? So that's what this video is all about. That's what this video purpose is all about, man. But yeah, man, shit. I think I moved out when I was like, when I moved out? I was like 19 to 20. I moved to my aunt's house. So I wasn't really on my own at that point. But then when I turned I think 20, I think I was on my own. You know what I'm saying? So I've been on my own since, I wouldn't nearly say on my own, like I had roommates and stuff like that. But you could say like I moved out the crib at like 20 years old, but you know what I'm saying? I moved into this luxury apartment when I'm 21. So, but yeah, I'm on 22 right now. But it's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey. I obviously love where I stay. I obviously love where I lay my head at. I obviously love waking up to this beautiful castle, to this beautiful palace, 12-foot ceilings. Shit, y'all might be hearing the echo right now because the ceiling's so tall. You get what I'm saying? But very thankful, very appreciative. Obviously y'all see me posting more now. Y'all see me being more active because I got bills, you know what I'm saying? It's like shit that got real, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see me a whole lot more, you feel me? 5 times a day, you hear me? But on a real note, back to like the emotions and stuff like that of a man. Yeah, man, just something that I just learned this year is something called emotional intelligence. If you don't know what emotional intelligence is, you probably don't have none. You know what I'm saying? Which is cool, you know what I'm saying? I damn near lived my whole life without emotional intelligence. I'm a very intelligent person, but when it came to emotions, I really didn't know how to handle them. You know what I'm saying? So that's why y'all see me in the gym so much. That's why y'all see me, cause I'm more than my body, more than my physical. I'm working on my mental as well. I'm telling myself don't give up. I'm telling myself all this stuff. I'm training. When I go to the gym, I visualize the gym as a jungle. You know what I'm saying? That's why I take my shirt off. That's why I'm a fucking lion. I'm a fucking beast in the gym, cause it's like I'm training for real life. You know what I'm saying? When I go back to the crib, when I go back in my crib, I'm working on content. I'm working on things that I want to do for my life. I'm working on let me tell y'all something, bro. Cause this is off topic a little bit, but every time a nigga gets some money or a nigga get some money, y'all always say either a nigga scamming or a nigga selling illegal stuff. Bro, stop that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta understand that black people history, we invented most of this shit. We been entrepreneurs back in the day. They just want to tell y'all niggas that, oh, black folks who started off as slavery. No, nigga, we didn't start off as slaves, bro. That's where American history started off at. That's where the school bullshit started off at. You know what I'm saying? Even when I was in college, they still trying to teach niggas about slavery. Like, what the fuck is we talking about slavery for? But that's on a whole nother topic. But it is kind of like a little a cloud over the black community. Oh, we were slaves and shit like that. Nah, before that and after that, we was inventors, bruh. We came up with ideas. You know what I'm saying? We came up with brands. We came up with shit, bro. We sold companies and stuff, bro. Y'all better go read about this shit, bro. I ain't playing, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna have to stop playing. Y'all gonna have to stop playing on these folk tops, especially young niggas in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? Young niggas in Atlanta, they just get into it. We just get into it. That's it. Niggas just get into it. That's it. You feel me? Like, come to the conclusion, niggas just get into it, bro. You know what I'm saying? And you can do it too. That's all you gotta do is come to the conclusion that niggas out here get into it and you can do it too, bro. Don't always think the bad about a person. Oh, he doing this. Oh, he doing that. Nah, man, he just getting to it. He working hard. He working smart. You feel me? He utilizing social media. That's what it is. But on another note, I just want to inform y'all. I just want to let y'all know, like, take care of your emotions. Take care of your mental health. And even if you, let's say right now you sad, right? Why are you sad? You know what I'm saying? Once you figure out why you sad, do something about it. Don't just be like, yo, I'm sad because of this. And you just lay there, you just sit there. You're going to drown in your sorrow. And that's what your haters, that's what the naysayers, that's what the people that's telling you, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. They want you to die. They want you to die. They want you to get so depressed you kill yourself. This is what they want. You know what I'm saying? Your higher self is telling you, bro, you're better than this. You can do this. You was meant for this. You was built for this. If God don't make no mistakes. So if you placed in that position, yo, it's for you. It's for you. You know what I'm saying? So whatever position you in right now, man, take full advantage of it. I don't care if the worst of the worst happened to you. Take full advantage of that energy. Remember, that energy can't be destroyed. It can only be transferred. So if you sad right now, you feel all that energy. If you depressed right now, you feel all that energy. Number one, take your butt to the gym. All right, that's the easiest thing you can do. That's instantly, that you could just go. You know what I'm saying? That you could go do. If you can't go to the gym, do 100 push-ups. Start off with 100 push-ups daily. All right, and this is gonna make you feel better, bro. It's gonna make you feel better. When you do some push-ups, it's gonna make you feel better. It's gonna make you think better. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make your arms, your chest feel better. You know what I'm saying? As a man, that's what you're trying to build up, right? You're trying to build up your physique. You're trying to build up your mental. You're trying to build up your money. You're trying to build up everything, right? You're trying to build your empire, right? So work for something. You know what I'm saying? Don't lay down and die. You get what I'm saying? This ain't one of them videos where, oh, he's bragging, he's this. Niggas be like, oh, he bragging. How the fuck am I bragging when I'm just living? How? I don't understand niggas, bruh. Niggas say, oh, he bragging, oh, he doing this. Oh, I wouldn't be doing this. Well, don't do it. Don't do it. You do you, I'ma do me. Okay? That's to all the haters out there. That's to all the niggas who commenting, who think they, who hating in the comment section and really think their comments matter. Your comments don't matter to me if you hating on me, bro. It don't. I get a whole lot of views on social medias on each platform. Like, that shit just don't bother me, bro. That shit don't bother me no more. Comments do not bother me. You get what I'm saying? If anything, I'm gonna use your comment as another way to post more content. That's all that is, bro. That's it. All right, so I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the main reason. Y'all are the main reason why I'm here. Y'all are the main reason, okay? Y'all stay supporting me. Y'all stay buying the merchandise. Y'all stay shopping the brand. First link in the description. I appreciate y'all. I got my Chick-fil-A back there. After this video, I'm probably gonna take 30 minutes to an hour, eat up right quick, you feel me? Because I just got back from the gym, took a shower. All this is like consecutive. You get what I'm saying? Like, it ain't no spread out. It ain't nothing. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is that. You know what I'm saying? It's really that. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all folks in the next one.